If I were diving into academic research today from scratch, here's my game plan. Let's not waste time. You clicked because you want to know how to do a literature review the right way. Let's break it down. Hey scholars, whether you're writing a thesis, planning a paper, or just trying to survive grad school, I've got your back. Today, I'm walking you through the exact method to conduct a literature review that's clean, compelling, and most importantly, publishable. No jargon, no fluff, just battle-tested strategies that researchers actually use. Step 1. Define your research question. Before you even think about opening Google Scholar, you need to ask yourself, what am I really trying to find out? Don't be vague. Social media and teens is too broad. Instead, ask something like, how does Instagram use impact body image in teenage girls aged 14 to 17? Use frameworks like PICO, population, intervention, comparison, outcome. SPICE, setting, perspective, intervention, comparison, evaluation. These act like research GPS. They tell you where to go and what to avoid. Step 2. Identify sources and databases. This is where most students go wrong. They stop at Google. But serious research demands serious tools. Here's where the pros go. Academic databases. JSTOR, Scopus, PubMed, Web of Science, IEE Explore library catalogs, WorldCat, and yes, Google Scholar. But it's your starting line, not your finish line. Repositories, SSRN for social sciences, ARXIV for STEM reference lists. Use snowballing to find more sources via existing bibliographies. Step 3, build a search strategy. This is where your search becomes surgical. Use Boolean operators and narrows, machine learning and education, or expands, teenagers or adolescents. Not excludes, machine learning, not deep learning. Track your keywords, synonyms, and even frequent authors in a spreadsheet. This will save you hours later. Step 4. Evaluate and organize your findings. Skim with purpose. Ask yourself, is the abstract relevant? Are the methods sound? Do the findings align with your question? Pro tip, use Zotero, EndNote or Mendeley to manage citations, and color code by theme, method, or publication year. Yes, I color code. No, I don't regret it. Step 5, synthesize, don't summarize. This is the #1 mistake I see students make. A literature review isn't a list of summaries. It's a story of your research area. Your job is to map out what's already known, what's debated, what's missing. Think of it like this. You're hosting a dinner party. Each study is a guest. Your job is to moderate the conversation and guide the discussion. Group studies into themes, highlight conflicts, and build a narrative. Step 6, structure and write. Like a pro, don't freestyle. Structure matters. Intro, state your research question. Justify your review's scope, mention key terms and limits. Body, thematic or chronological organization. Compare and contrast where necessary. Conclusion, summarize gaps. Propose directions for future research, citation rules matter. Use APA, MLA, or Chicago, whichever your field demands. No excuses here. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, let's call her Maya, spent 3 months reading everything on climate change policy. But when her supervisor read her draft, he said, "You've summarized well, but where's your thinking?" She hadn't synthesized. She hadn't told a story. She had a pile of bricks, but no house. A good literature review isn't about how much you read. It's about how well you connect the dots. Doing a great literature review isn't about diving into a sea of PDFs. It's about reading smarter, searching strategically, and telling a story the academic community can follow. Now that you've got the roadmap, go crush that lit review like a seasoned scholar. Smash that like if this gave you clarity. Drop your research topic in the comments. I'll reply with custom search terms and strategies. And remember, a lit review isn't just the first part of your thesis. It's your chance to prove you know the landscape, and you're ready to explore beyond it. Like, share and subscribe for more research tips that don't waste your time.